Okay, time to read some silent E syllable words. We're going to read some pseudo words, that means fake words, as well as some real words. Now, the thing that makes it a little bit trickier than yesterday is each syllable could either be closed, that we've already learned, find the vowel swoop followed by a consonant closed syllable, which would have the short vowel sound, or it could have a syllable that is silent E. Find the vowel, hop, hop, E at the end, silent E syllable. So we'll be looking for both of these kinds of syllables. We'll have to look and decide as we break them apart and read them. So 2 different syllable types to look for today. So let's start with a few pseudo words, some fake words. If you want to join me again with paper, pencil, whiteboard, whatever, if you want to join in, it'll help you to pay attention better if you're doing it with me. Okay? So this is the nonsense word you will write. We'll also be looking for parts of the word that needs to stay together so we don't split them up. Sorry, that K was really bad. But you got the gist. Okay, so first thing we do is find the vowels. So I see 3 different vowels, I, A, and E. Now, I also look and think, well, I can tell that these 2 go together because it's a silent E syllable. So I'm always going to connect them with a V to remind me that, because it looks kind of like the fingers, to connect them because that just makes one vowel sound, A, right? So if we look here between the vowel sounds, okay, how many consonants are there? 1, 2, 3 consonants. So if there's 3, it makes it harder because we can't just split between the 2. So if there's 3, we've got to look closely. Are there any of those letters that stay together? Always. If you said SH, you are correct. So I'm going to circle those because they're a digraph that cannot be split up. 2 letters that make one sound, sh. Okay, so now I know those stay together, so we're going to go ahead and split here into the 2 syllables. Okay, so if we cover this, I'm going to tilt this down a little so you can see. Cover this side and just look at this. Let's figure out what kind of syllable it is. Find the vowel, swoop, followed by a consonant, closed syllable. So that means it's short vowels, right? Sound, I, syllable, tiff. Okay? Coming over here now, I erased part of the E. Apologize. This one, we're going to look, find the vowel, hop, hop, E at the end, silent E syllable. Sound, long vowel, A, syllable, shake. Put them together, tiff, shake. What's the word? Tiff shake. Easy enough, right? Closed, silent E together makes tiff shake. There's a short vowel and a long vowel, which is kind of fun. See, it gets a little trickier as we keep adding more syllable types. Okay, oh, I'll show you so you can write it down at the same time. Okay, here's our next pseudo word that's not real. First, underline the vowels. Okay, I see 3, O, E, E. This I can tell I'm going to connect because it's an E, consonant E, silent E syllable, hop, hop, E at the end. Okay, so if I look between these vowel sounds, how many consonants do I see? Oh, sorry, I'm pointing to the wrong one. 1, 2 consonants. When there's 2, it's pretty easy. We just split between them. So go ahead and split them into syllables. Okay, now let's read them syllable by syllable. Find the vowel, swoop, followed by a consonant, closed syllable. So it's the short vowel. Sound, ah, syllable, cop. Okay, find the vowel, hop, hop, E at the end, silent E syllable means it's a long vowel. Sound, E, syllable, veet. Put it together, cop, veet. What's the word? Cop veet. Kind of a weird word. You can see the reflection of me in the whiteboard. That's kind of fun. Cop veet. Okay, one more pseudo word and then we'll move to some real words. Trying to find one that's a little trickier. Oh, you can watch me. C-L-A-C-K-S-I-Z-E. Okay, first thing we do is find the vowels. So go ahead and underline all the vowels you see. Okay, what do we do next? We're going to connect this because we know that's a silent E syllable. Okay, now look between the vowel sounds. how many consonants do we have? 1, 2, 3. So that makes it tricky. Are there any that need to stay together? Yes. CK is another digraph, 2 letters that makes one sound, k, so we can't split them up. Okay? So we'll go after it and split there between the other consonant. Okay? So quickly we'll look at this, figure out the syllable type, find the vowel, swoop, followed by a consonant, closed syllable, sound, ah, syllable, clack. Okay, this one, find the vowel, hop, hop, E at the end, silent E syllable, long vowel, sound I, syllable, size. Put it together, clack, size. What's the word? Clack size. Clack size. Kind of fun fake words. Okay, you ready to try some real words? Challenge yourself a little bit. Okay, let's see what we want to do here. There's some fun ones. Here's one. I'll write it up here. Okay. You may already know this, but that's okay. You still need to do all the steps. Find the vowels. Underline them. We're going to hook these two because I see that it's a silent E syllable. Look between the vowel sounds. How many consonants? 1, 2. Easy peasy, we split between them. Okay. Looking at this side, pretty easy. We don't need to do all the steps. I mean, you can if you want, but we see that it's a closed syllable. Sound syllable, rep. Okay. Coming over here, pretty easy to see that it's a silent E syllable. So sound I, syllable, tile. Kind of lost the I there. Read the whole thing. Rep, tile. What's the word? Reptile. Hopefully you all have learned about what reptiles are in science. They're a kind of animal. Okay, let's see. What should we do next? Let's do this. Okay. C-O-N-F-I-D-E. Okay, underline the vowels. I love that you're doing it with me. It's very helpful to do it yourself. This will help you become better readers. Okay, I'm going to hook those. You can see what they are. Between the vowel sounds, we have 1, 2 consonants. I'm just going to split between them. I'm going to actually do a dark line so we can really see better. Okay, let's read these. Hopefully by now you're really good at seeing quickly that it's a vowel followed by a consonant, so you know it's closed. Okay, so this will say ah. Okay, syllable, con. Over here, you're really quick at seeing that it's a silent E syllable, so the sound is I, syllable, fide. Put it together, confide. And actually when we pronounce this, we usually just say confide. So the O kind of makes a schwa sound, confide. When you confide in someone, you trust them and you tell them, like you might tell them a secret, tell them something. You confide in them because you trust them. Okay, that's what that word means. Let's see. Let's try another one. Trying to find some that might be tricky. Let's try this one. Just need a little water. Okay, let's see if you've seen this word before. I-N, that's a Q, U-I-R-E. Okay, find the vowels. Now this is going to be tricky. Look at all those vowels. Okay, I'm going to hook these because I know that's a silent E syllable. Okay, I'm going to look between the vowel sounds, which there's that. How many consonants do you see? 1, 2. Now, this is one of those things. Is there some letters that have to stay together? Have you guys ever heard that Q and U are married? They are. They're married. They have to be together. So we can't split them up, okay? That just makes the sound qu. Q always has to have a U with it, okay? So that means we should split, not over here. We need to split between the consonants, right? The consonant sounds. We're going to split right here, okay? So forget that big part for a second. This is super easy. Syllable, in, right? It's a closed syllable there. Looking over here, it's a silent E syllable. So the sound is I, syllable, choir. Choir. So put it together. Inquire. What's the word? Inquire. If you haven't heard that word before, to inquire means to ask a question. I'm going to inquire about something. I'm going to ask to learn more. Okay, I think we'll just do 2 more and then hopefully you guys have got this. So, oh, this is a fun one. I think I need to get a new marker. This one's dying on me. Okay, can you see that's an A? So underline the vowels. You guys should be super fast at this by now. Hook those together, silent E. Look between the vowel sounds. How many consonants? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Where do we split? Are there any that have to stay together? If you said TH, you are right. That's a digraph that makes one sound. So we can't split them up. So we're going to split here after that part. Okay? Find the vowel swoop followed by a consonant. Closed syllable, sound ah, syllable ath. Okay? Over here, oh man, my hand really destroyed it, but you can still see. Sound E. Sorry, you can't see the L very well, but the syllable's leaped. Let's put it together. Athlete. I really kind of messed that up, but you can still see that E-T-E to make it say athlete. An athlete, if you don't know, is someone that plays sports or works out a lot or rides their bike. You're all athletes. Okay? Awesome. I can't remember if I said that was the last one. But let's do one more. Ooh, you guys will know this word because you all watch a lot of YouTube. This is a YouTube word. And it's nice and long, so write it down. And then I will be getting a new marker for next time. You've all seen that, right? Find all the vowels, hook those together, look between the vowel sounds. How many consonants? Holy cow, there's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see any that need to stay together? Of the B, S, C, R. Now, SC is a consonant blend, sk, that stays together. But guess what? If you add the R, that's a triple consonant blend. And they all stay together to say skr. Lots of words start with skr. Okay, so we're going to keep that together. So we'll split there so they don't get split up. Looking at this should be easy. Closed syllable, sound a, syllable sub. Looking over here, you can see it's a silent E syllable. Sound I, syllable, put it all together, scribe. Scribe. So it says subscribe. What's the word? Subscribe. You all need to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I think we're good for today. You guys did awesome work. We will be starting the next syllable type next time. Bye.